In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add extensions to Google Chrome, easy step-by-step guide. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded and ready to use before moving on. This is important because you will be visiting the official. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store and click on the Extensions section. The Chrome Web Store is the place where Google provides browser add-ons that you can browse and install. When you enter the Extensions area, you will see a wide range of tools designed for different purposes. After that, use the search bar to look for the extension you want. For example, you might search for a VPN extension or a volume control extension. Type the name or function of the tool you need, then review the results carefully. As you search, try to pick an extension that matches your needs clearly. If several similar options appear, take a moment to compare them so you can choose the one that seems most useful for you. Once you have found the extension you want, you are ready to continue with the installation from the store page. At that point, Chrome will guide you through the rest of the process on screen. That covers everything you need to know.